You should not be getting contraction of your muscles or anything like that. If you're getting that, you've gone way too high. So your boy has found his way into playing a ton of pickleball, and as a result, I've now given myself some tennis elbow, and this became available to me. I do have to tell you, Avon provided it, but with absolutely no instructions in terms of what to say. They just said it really works, try it, tell them. So that's what we're gonna do. This is a portable TENS unit that actually comes in this really nice case. Normally, they're just in a pile of everything. This is really nicely organized. Comes with 12 different pads, some basic instructions, 2 channels, so you could have 2 different programs running at one time, plug to charge it because it is portable and rechargeable, and the unit itself. One little bit of a differentiator with this than some of the others. Number one, it is much more solid, and as you can see, it has a belt buckle hook. So like if you wanted to, you could put it on, kind of go about your day in the house or whatever while you're massaging yourself out with the TENS unit. I will say I personally like TENS units because essentially what it does is it's going to drive a little bit of electrical current, like kind of right underneath the skin layer, which is going to bring blood flow to the area. We're going to stimulate healing and reduce some of the pain. At least that's been my experience. Let me show you real quick how to use it. There are only 4 buttons. You could choose the mode, you could set it to go, and there are also 40 different power levels that you could toggle between. 2 channels, as we discussed, and it comes with these premium pads, which are supposed to be good for up to 40 uses, which is pretty impressive. You could also adjust the intensity for each channel individually, which is really pretty cool too, because you could have a little different program on each one. All right, so we'll just plug this into channel 1. I like to plug these in before I start sticking them on my arm, because then I find I stick them somewhere and I can't really get to them. It's easier with 2 hands out in front of you like this, right? Okay, so let's put the first one here. Go with the second one right there. All right, let's power it up, see what we got. Simple power button here, and this is the port to recharge it with USB-C. Turn it on. Super clear screen. Gives you the mode you've chose, the channel that you're on, the rate, how quickly it's going to recycle, and the time. So right now it just defaults to 20. Just defaulted to 20 minutes. Let's see what happens. Okay, we'll take that, we'll take that, we'll take that. Oh, I can feel it. Modes are normal, burst, modulation, then 5 different custom modes. I'm gonna go with normal. Oh, I can feel it now. I hope you could see. I hope there's not too much of glare. You could adjust the intensity right there. Now I will tell you, just so you know, so as I was kind of saying, it's supposed to be just sending a little bit of electricity like just underneath your skin layer and drawing that blood to the area, kind of massaging it a little bit. You should not be getting contraction of your muscles or anything like that. If you're getting that, you've gone way too high. It's probably hurting too, which isn't fun. So just turn it down a little bit. Find the mode that works for you. In the manual here, there's some basic setups for different areas of your body that are hurting or bothering you, whatever. So it gives you a little bit of guideline there. I don't know what else to say other than I've personally had tremendous success with this stuff in the past. This layout is really awesome. Especially, I love this knob on the top. Let's turn it up a little bit. Oh yeah, there we go. Feeling good. I got 19 minutes left. In that 19 minutes, I want to ask you, there's a link down there below. If you're at all interested in it, please use our link. It helps the channel out. We appreciate that. Like, subscribe, follow, all those kind of cool things. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.